Itũra-inĩ rĩa Oropirik, Narok ya ithũĩro, mũciĩ kwa gavana wa Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu, nĩkuo President William Ruto hamwe na atongoria angĩ manyitanĩire igongona-inĩ rĩa ũhiki wa Santaya Ntutu na Abigail Soilan.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. And of the Holy Spirit.
President akioya mweke ũyũ gũtetera ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ararutire kũrĩ bũrũri kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ, augĩte ici ti ng'ano araheanire, no nĩ maũndũ ekũhingia.
We have stabilized our economy. Now is the time to transform the nation. Na wengi wanafikiria ya kwamba yale mambo nilisema katika State of the Nation ati ni mambo ya siku za mbali. Hiyo kazi yote nilisema inaanza mwaka ujao, kwa sababu hatutaki kugawia, hatutaki kuchelewa. Tumechelewa miaka nyingi. We must catch up with those who have gone ahead of us.
Kuri aria marekirira nganja ukinyania wa maundu maria eranĩire, amerite meterere mone wakorwo mareciria araruta ciraniro cia kuhura uteti wa 2027.
Hatungoji 2027 because our plan is not about the next election. Our plan and our vision and our program is about the next generation, not about the next election. Hiyo ndio mpango yetu. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie jana asubuhi niliweka sahihi sheria ya reform ya government owned enterprises ambayo itakuwa ndio foundation ya ile sovereign wealth fund ambayo nilitangaza na national infrastructure fund ambayo nilitangaza. Now we have the legal framework. We are going to move with speed so that we form these funds and the enterprises that are required.
Mĩario ya president nĩ ĩkĩrĩtwo hinya nĩ amwe ya atongoria igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ marĩ hamwe na senator wa Narok Ledama Olekina.
Na nikaketi kule nikasikiza your State of the Nation address. Nikatoka nikasema it was practical. Unajua kuna ile ingine ambayo inasemekana lakini haifanyiki. Mimi your excellency, mimi nataka kuona hii airport yangu ya Narok imeisha. Mimi nataka kuona ile dam ambayo ulitupromise pale Narosora imemalizika ndio tuweze kupata maji.
Atongoria kuma gũkũ kabiine nĩ meranĩire gũthiĩ na mbere kũnyitĩrĩra ũtongoria wa President Ruto, amutaro ũrĩrĩ marauga nĩ monete ũguni mũnene rungu rwa thirikari ĩno.
Siku hizi hapa Narok, Samburu na Kajiado tuko na ishara yetu na ni vidole mbili tunatingisha.
I can speak with authority that the indignity we suffered as a people because of historical injustices on our land in Amboseli, in the Mao, you remove that indignity from ourselves, and we are grateful as a people.
Gerifotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.